Hello. Hi. Happy New Year. I'm Nikki Eisenhower, life coach and psychotherapist. This is my newsletter, and I wanted to provide a monthly mantra. So I thought a lot about this and I've changed it up a few times. Originally, all through December, I thought my January mantra would be I accept myself. And instead, what formed was I accept what is. So here's our monthly mantra. I accept what is. And it's mine. I'm going to use it if it resonates with you with this mantra and all mantras that I offer. I hope that you make it your own. You tweak it for exactly what you want or need it to be. I've got some notes over here. You might see me turn. But I want to talk about how this works because, it's been said that most of our issues, if not all, can be boiled down to control issues. And I'm a big believer in that. I've tested it out over the years. We want to have a certain amount of control over our environment, our life, our experience. That makes sense. We need a certain amount of control. But life invites us every single day to be frustrated with the things that we don't control, to be annoyed, to be hurt, to be disappointed, and then to create stories. When things are kind of crashing and crumbling down, we can create these stories of the universe being against me, or things being so hard I can't make it through, or it not being worth it, and cultivate a real defeatist or victim-y attitude. Okay, so this mantra of I accept what is, it's not a weak position to take. That's what I thought when I first started doing acceptance work was, but there's so much in the world I don't want to accept. No, I will rally against accepting it. No, I really thought from my upbringing that was sort of right or healthy or the way to go. And it didn't. It bit me in the butt every single time. So there's this shift to be able to allow ourselves to have this acceptance work. When I accept what is, I'm not saying I agree with it. I'm not saying I want it. I'm saying and acknowledging to myself and the universe, I don't have control over all the factors. And when I accept what is, I stop fighting that. And in that fight of fighting the universe, fighting what is, that's where a lot of highly sensitive people, trauma survivors, and empaths burn up and waste a lot of their energy and they feel depleted. And when we already feel depleted, when our self-care takes a lot, when managing overstimulation in a sensory way takes a lot of energy just to be alive, we don't need to waste energy in these ways. So I am what is a power position. When I accept what is, then I have the energy to do the work, to process what I need to process, to change what I need to change, internally and externally in the world. So I accept what is about me having more energy for my life and to be able to put that energy into what I actually control, what I have power to tweak, to change, to grow, to let go of. And that's where our power lies. And I want to utilize my energy and my empowerment in the best ways possible for myself and for the world. That's what I want for me in 2020. What do you want for yourself? I hope there's something in this mantra that you can take. I accept what is. I accept what is. I accept what is. Happy New Year, light and love, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.